Hi, my name is Taide, and I need a motherboard. I just did hours and hours of research for the components for my new build, and I was really excited. So what do I have so far? I have my notes here. For the graphics, Asus Tough Gaming 57 Ti. I was going with the Ryzen AM5, Ryzen 9 9900X. And for RAM, I was going with the Corsair 64GB DDR5, 6000 megahertz, the Lee case, the 217. And for my first time, I was going to do air cooling with the Thermalright Phantom Spirit 120 SE, and then a 1000 watt PSU by ASRock. Really excited about this one. This thing is heavy, actually. I was so excited about the ASRock motherboard, the Nova, the Phantom Nova. It has all the features that I want, mainly the no lane sharing. This is really what I wanted. 4, maybe even 5 NVMe drives, and it doesn't affect the GPU. This is the main feature I wanted. But here's the issue. Right before I was going to put it together, I saw a video that an AM5 CPU and an ASRock motherboard can cause it to burn out. I did a lot of research, and yeah, this is an issue. This is a serious issue. There were some BIOS updates that supposedly helped, and there's a Reddit chat, group that no, it's still ongoing. Right now, they're probably RMAing and just will compensate you for it. But as time goes on, I'm not sure what's going to happen. So what do I do? I'm doing DaVinci mainly, 4K, 6K, and I need a board. I need a board that I don't want lane sharing. 3 lanes are okay, but I prefer 4 and 5 lanes with no lane sharing. So if you are a creative person, specifically DaVinci Resolve, and you have a build that you like and it's working for you, please hit me up below and let me know what you're using. I will do my research. I will find something. Hopefully this will get resolved, but I don't want to wait around, and who knows how long it will take. Of course, I could switch over. I almost went with Intel, the 265K, but what's going on with that company? What's going on with Intel, and what direction are they about to go in? But I think Intel is in a much better position than AMD was when they had to turn things around. So what should I do? Just any feedback, yeah, hit me up below, leave a comment, let me know what you're working with, and I will check it out. Of course, I'll find something just that ASRock, wow, it's just price to performance. That is the one. It is beating out even the higher ends. I think there's the Godlike, no lane sharing, the Tai Chi, which is ASRock, no lane sharing, and then maybe the NZXT also has no lane sharing. Not the end of the world. If I can get 3 NVMe drives, I can work with that. But I would prefer to have the one that I purchased. Come on, ASRock. Hopefully you have a resolution soon. That is it. A quick just release. I'm happy and I'm frustrated. I'll have a build soon. Just wanted to get on here and rant just a little bit. I'd like to thank you for stopping by, and I hope that you are having a wonderful day.